Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this beautiful 1989 Land Rover Defender 90 soft top version, full top with the truck. Also comes off as it is now. It's a 2.5 TDI, fully restored by Robison in Massachusetts. It has about 1,700 miles on it since the full restoration. Everything works as new. Let's take it for a ride. Okay kids, here we are. I'm going to do a little cold start of the 89 Land Rover Defender 90 2.5 TDI. We'll turn on the key. You got to watch for the glow plug. Give it a second to warm up. The glow plugs, that is. Warm it up. Crank right up. Beautiful diesel sound. We go for a road test. All right, we got some temperature in her. We're going to take her up to speed. Beautiful open air motoring. Soft top removed. Room for 6, 4 seats in the back, 2 seats up front. The restoration, you can tell, clutch, gearbox, engine, steering, everything feels on point. Brakes are perfect. The vents work, you get some nice fresh air through the front vents. Looking out over the hood, over the spare tire mount. In the back of the truck, they have 2 gas tanks and an off-road jack. God forbid you should need it. It's also got a Warn winch mounted on the front bumper with remote electric. Steering, the tracking, the alignment, everything really good on this car. Also got this great lock box for the center. You could stick all your off-road items. Full 4-wheel drive, locking diffs. Going over railroad tracks, no abnormal rattles or squeaks. Really well done restoration. Again, 1,788 miles since it was completely redone. Feels better than when it came off the showroom floor. Just as home, cruising through the back roads as it would be going off-road, going on the beach. Take her up through some winding roads here. Feel the suspension, feel the brakes a little bit. Really responds as it should. Beautiful fall day. 5th gear overdrive, cruises so nice. Iconic Land Rover. Defender 90, meaning 90-inch wheelbase. Drop off Jason here, and we'll do some flybys. As you can tell with the flybys, really drives very well, feels good, clutch gearbox, running up through the gears. Really doesn't get much better than this. And just a test to the work of the Robisons up in Massachusetts. All right, get her up to speed on the straightaway here. Show you how nice it cruises. Also comes with heated seats, so cool evening, you can put on the heated seats and still feel comfortable. Heater obviously works fine. Really attests to the restoration that was done, the way everything feels. You can go through all the pictures as well. You can see attention to detail, how everything was done, and still to this day is in great condition. Dead solid, straight, feels really good. Don't forget to check out all our videos. Like and comment below. All it needs is a new owner and to be used and enjoyed. Downshift smooth as could be. Thanks for watching.